I can't see anything, so I'm just hoping for the best. With a stick off a 9, sloppily put over the stick off the 8. And then when I did the review, Amazon was like, whoa, you only can review the quality of the product, not what you got. So, yeah, and Amazon and the people won't do anything about it. You know, I'm stuck paying this off now. It's still good, but I'm still mad. Also, you're using a spinning rod. Oh, you got one. Oh! Okay, keep it up a little bit. Okay. Bring it over here. Oh. Nice one. Ooh. Nice. We're gonna count that your first cast. I'm gonna cast this before I got her counted. You can take it out yourself. Oh god. Oh god. I'm gonna watch you struggle. So. I found out you can walk all the way downhill. Yeah? Yeah. So let me get a nice picture of you. Okay. I don't remember what stuff is. Hey, long arm it a little bit more. Make it look bigger. There you go. Nice.
Alright, buddy.
You want to get a quick measurement on it? So we can see what you have to beat?
Yeah, baby, we can have that.
Yeah.
I'm pulling in the water right there.
Okay. So, up. 14 today.
14 inches? Alright. Thank you for playing, buddy.
Woo. But big largemouth also are fun to catch. Like, my favorite thing about like a largemouth fight is they jump. That's also the thing I hate the most about fighting them is that they jump. Because a lot of times you lose them on the jump because the tension comes off the line. And like smallmouth jump too, but not as aggressively.
Well, smallmouth will dive down to the rock that you're saying.
Yeah.
They'll lose you there.
They go all over the place. Oh. That didn't sound good. Okay, next up is just a basic twisted tail. Oh. Oh.
I legitimately have to play with stop my pool before I run out of line.
Oh no.
My first cast, I was like, oh, I think I have enough line for this. I cast all the line out. I was like, oh no, started reeling and it wouldn't reel back. I'm like, oh no. Why have I done this to myself? I have no one to blame but myself.
What? So I meant to cast that way. Don't worry, I didn't hook you yet. keep up that attitude though. To a different store. No one there. Woo. My bad. Try casting that more towards that way. Out that way.
Yeah.
You okay? Got one. Oh shit, it's a pike. Well, I lost it. It was a little baby pike. So dumb.
Big plate. But it counts. But it counts.
I touched it too, so. Oh, yay! Now time to stay until 10 o'clock.
Times in the game.
Okay.
Well, I was like, what's the like the top left corner is the number you have to beat, and the bottom right corner is the number you need to beat the top left corner. Ah.
Why not just a simple attack and defense?
Oh, that's not even attacking or defending. That's just to play the card.
Oh.
Oh man, this is the most convoluted shit. If they ever come out with like 2 structure decks, 10 out of 10.
We'll try it, yeah.
I'm buying it. I'm trying it. But like just listening to the guy explain the rules, I was like, alright, this is wild, bro. The whole thing is wild.
Fuck it. Why did you? Oh, you got one?
Fish on. Little smallmouth.
No, it's a rock bass.
Little rock bass.
Your best friend returns. Okay, I'm gonna get a picture of you while it's still hooked. Just
Well, it's still hooked.
yeah, because I'm in the water.
Oh, okay.
Hold it up. Let's see how that looks. Nope, I'm gonna get a better one. I can't see anything, so I'm just hoping for the best. Okay, it's not bad.
Take his light.
Yeah, no. Sorry, the light's done.
Oh, that's so hard.
Woo. God damn it, now we gotta stay another hour. Are you happy? Look what you did. I'm about to go tie on something with hooks now.
Wait, what did you say?
Something with hooks like that. Something with hooks in general.
Yeah,
I was like, wait,
I thought
what?
you meant, like you're out there fishing when John's oh, too, Tyson. I had the hooks on. What do you mean? Oh, I was only using a weight.
No, I was hoping that the fish would just grab it in its jaws and hold on.
That's what I said. I don't even think I caught that fish. I think he brushed up against it. I was like, hey, bud, oh, God.
It's like, hey, let's make a school. Oh! That fish thought it found a new friend, and instead it found a level. It's not like it's downpouring yet. Yet.
Yeah. And if you start carrying hard, I got him out.
Honestly, like, we caught that now, but like, I haven't had any bites in the last like 10 minutes. Like, I think I'm gonna call it like within the next like 10-15 minutes. Plus, I'm hungry too.
Yeah.
I forgot that I didn't eat, like, I ate around like 10 a.m.
Yeah. Same. Jen and I got in our argument.
Yeah.
So she made breakfast, but she only made breakfast for herself. Something white feels like. Is that privilege there?
See, I think you switched that back because you knew this wasn't getting bites anymore over there, and you wanted to switch it up. Rather than fast line.
You wanted to be?
Got another cast.
Yep.
Oh, my back.
I think Sunday I'm gonna come.
Oh, that one.
Oh,
That's a nice one.
fucking